Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge, where we're all about promoting a healthy and balanced lifestyle. If you're new to yoga or looking to ease your way into this ancient practice, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 yoga poses that are perfect for beginners. Yoga offers a multitude of benefits, from increasing flexibility and reducing stress to enhancing overall well-being. Whether you're a complete newbie or just need a refresher, these poses will help you build a strong foundation for your yoga journey. So, roll out your mat, find a quiet space, and let's get started on this path to greater physical and mental harmony. 1. Mountain Pose. The first yoga pose we'll explore is the foundational mountain pose, or Tadasana. Think of it as your starting point for many other yoga poses. Begin by standing tall with your feet together, or hip-width apart if it's more comfortable. Root your feet firmly into the ground, distributing your weight evenly. Engage your leg muscles, and gently tuck your tailbone to align your pelvis. Lengthen your spine by drawing your shoulders back and down, with your chest open. Relax your arms by your sides, with your palms facing forward. As you stand in this posture, focus on your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. The mountain pose may seem simple, but it's all about building a strong and stable foundation, promoting better posture, and increasing your body awareness. Use this pose as a starting point to connect with your breath and set the intention for your yoga practice. 2. Downward Facing Dog. The second yoga pose on our journey for beginners is the widely known Downward Facing Dog. This pose is not only iconic but also highly beneficial for stretching and strengthening various muscle groups. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position, with your wrists aligned under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Then, lift your hips upward, pressing through your hands and feet, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Your feet should be hip-width apart, and your palms firmly grounded with fingers spread wide. In this pose, focus on lengthening your spine, pressing your heels toward the floor. They don't need to touch, and relaxing your neck. Downward Facing Dog stretches the calves, hamstrings, and shoulders while also building upper body strength. It's a fantastic pose for relieving tension and improving circulation. Remember to breathe deeply and relax into the posture, and if you're a beginner, feel free to slightly bend your knees to accommodate your flexibility. 3. Child's Pose. Our next yoga pose, Child's Pose, or Balasana, is a comforting and restorative posture that's perfect for beginners and experienced yogis alike. To get into this pose, start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position, with your wrists beneath your shoulders and knees under your hips. From here, gently sit back onto your heels, allowing your big toes to touch and knees to spread apart to hip width or wider. Slowly lower your torso down, reaching your arms out in front of you, palms resting on the floor. Rest your forehead on the mat. In Child's Pose, focus on deep and relaxed breathing, letting go of any tension in your back, shoulders, and neck. This pose provides a gentle stretch to the lower back, hips, and thighs, making it an excellent choice for releasing stress and soothing the mind. It can also be used as a resting position during your yoga practice, allowing you to reconnect with your breath and find a sense of calm. As a beginner, you can always use props like a cushion or rolled-up towel under your forehead or between your thighs for added comfort. 4. Cat-Cow Stretch. Our next yoga pose, the Cat-Cow Stretch, or Marjaryasana Bitalasana, is a gentle and flowing movement that serves as a fantastic warm-up and spinal flexibility exercise for beginners. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position, with your wrists beneath your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, lift your tailbone, and gaze upward, creating an arch in your spine. This is the cow position. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin toward your chest, and engage your abdominal muscles. This is the cat position. Continue to flow between these two positions, syncing your breath with movement. The cat-cow stretch helps improve spinal flexibility, relieve tension in the back, and activate your core muscles gently. It's an excellent choice for beginners to establish awareness of the spine's mobility and to prepare the body for more challenging poses. Remember to move slowly and mindfully, paying attention to your breath and the sensations in your spine as you perform this soothing sequence. 5. Bridge Pose. Our final yoga pose, the bridge pose, or Setu Bandhasana, is a wonderful way for beginners to engage and strengthen the back, buttocks, and legs while improving flexibility. Begin by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Place your arms alongside your body, palms facing down. As you exhale, Press through your feet and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Continue to roll your spine off the mat, coming onto your shoulders. Keep your knees directly over your ankles and engage your glutes and core muscles. Interlace your fingers beneath your lifted hips, or keep your hands flat on the mat for support. In the bridge pose, focus on maintaining a straight line from your shoulders to your knees, avoiding any excessive arching in your lower back. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for several breaths, then release by lowering your spine back down to the mat. This pose is excellent for strengthening the back and legs, improving posture, and relieving lower back discomfort. For beginners, it's a great introduction to back bends, and you can gradually work on increasing the height of your bridge as your flexibility and strength improve. In conclusion, these 5 yoga poses for beginners offer a well-rounded introduction to the world of yoga, helping you build strength, flexibility, and inner peace. Remember, yoga is a journey, and progress takes time, so be patient with yourself. Start with these foundational poses, and as you become more comfortable, you can explore more advanced postures and sequences. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and fitness. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, tips, and insights to support your wellness journey. And for even more resources and in-depth tutorials, click the link in the video description below. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you.